In this video, I'll show you how to create Instagram shop without website. So for doing that, you have to follow some simple steps. So the first step, sign up for a business account with Instagram. If you already have a personal account, you have to switch it to a business account by following these simple steps. So number one is go to your Instagram profile. So first of all, you have to open the Instagram application. Now you have to go to your profile section. Now you have to click on the three horizontal line in the top right corner. Now you have to select the settings option, and then you have to select the account option here. And then you have to scroll down, and here is the option switch to professional account. And by tapping on it, you can see these options. And now then you have to tap on the done option. And here's the option creator or business. So we have to select the business account, and then you have to tap on the next option, and then you have to tap on the next option, and here you have to give your phone number and tap on the next option. And then here's the option connect to Facebook. You have to link your Instagram business account to your Facebook business page. So with a business account, you can get access to Instagram Insights, so you can view your followers statistics to understand who engaged with you, and and you can analyze post reach and get live feedback on your content performance. Now the step 2 is connect to a Facebook catalog and sign up for Instagram shopping. So you have to use Catalog Manager and create yourself a new Facebook catalog or connect to an existing one. And you can also use a Facebook partner to set up. And then the step 3 is list your products with the Instagram shop functions. You have to take the pictures and post your products on Instagram. You have to include your product name, relevant details, and product tag. And you can also add a maximum of 5 products tags per image or video and a maximum of 20 products tags on multi-image posts.